we bit off more than we can chew with this boat.
Yeah. I'm kind of starting to think that too.
Van life would be so much easier.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, it would have been so much easier.
I think we should sell the boat.
Yeah.
Psych! It is April Fool's, and guys, there's no way in the world we're gonna sell this boat. We were just getting started.
Love it.
In fact,
But now that we got you here, we have a really big announcement today that we're really excited to tell you about. So,
that's right.
it's time to get to work cleaning. Stick around to the end of the video to find out what it is. Baby.
So this morning, I'm gonna take advantage of the dew on the boat. Everything is damp and wet, and we're going to do a quick little wash down on the boat, try and get all the salt off because it hasn't been washed in probably about a week and a half. So it's really past due, and it just, salt gets everywhere.
When you live on a boat, the boat gets dirty really fast. So we have tasked ourselves with a challenge this morning. We're giving ourselves 1 hour to get all the salt off the boat. Today is a pre-wash. We're not deep cleaning, we're just pre-washing before the deep cleaning. Because we could let this take all day long. Like, this is an all day long job.
All right, so we have the top side of the boat all clean.
Time to take a little break, let the dog out.
We still have to do the whole back deck area, but that requires moving a lot of cushions, and Dixie needs to go to the potty, and we need gas for the dinghy. So we're gonna go into the marina, get some gas, and come back and then finish cleaning today. Is that right? Is that what we're gonna do?
Sounds right to me.
All right. Say hello to our neighbors.
Hi, neighbors.
Uh-oh. Em?
Don't jinx us.
Grab the paddles. You just ran out of gas. Just joking.
But that's the main reason why we have to go to the marina right now, is because we have like no gas left. So if we run out of gas, we'll just rely on you, baby. Natural gas.
All the black beans you feed me.
Guess what, guys? We made it. Gas to spare.
We're on fumes though.
Running on fumes. Yep.
It is trash day. So I walked into the yacht club dining room because it's right here at the fuel pumps, and asked the gentleman if there's anyone that could assist us, and he said that you have to go to the office. Well, the office It's all the way over there. So we're gonna have to walk all the way around and find someone that will assist us here on the fuel dock. And we're back.
We're home.
All right, lunch is served. That's mine. This one's yours because you do not like sour cream.
Bon appetit. Guys, I am so excited to share this surprise with you tonight. It's gonna be a big commitment. That's my one little hint I'll give you today.
Emily kind of touched on it a few minutes ago, and it's so true. We've got mega yachts all around us, and they're out on their wakeboarding boat, tubing over here. We've got people out on the beach, they're out on jet skis and having a great time. And while we do
have a lot of fun, it's not all fun and games.
We are floating in a swimming pool, it seems, but at the end of the day is still full of work, and taking care of this boat is a full-time gig.
It is.
All of this filming is new to me, right? Like, I've never really operated a camera, I've never taken pictures, I've certainly never edited or done any videography. And I've certainly never had a personality on the camera or talked to a camera like I am now. So all of this is new to me, but what's really interesting is, you know, Emily's the pro here, right, of the two of us. She has made a living and a career talking to the camera. But what she hasn't done is she hasn't really had a personality talking to that camera. Everything she's had to do is dry, right? News. There's nothing good on the news. In fact, we don't even watch the news today. But with that, it means that we're both learning. We're learning so much, not just living on a boat, but also we're learning about this YouTube life. How to talk to the camera and how to have a personality on camera. And what is our personality on camera? We each have a little bit different of a personality. And how is that personality portrayed to you guys watching at home? So as we share our life today and what we're doing, we kind of have that in the back of our mind of, well, we need to show people what we do every day and who we really are, because a lot of times you guys don't see that.
One of the hardest things about living on the boat is figuring out where everything goes. Now that we've been on board for quite some time, not quite a year yet, we've really are getting the hang of things and where things should go. So for example, we have this cooler, and I personally don't like it in this spot because I think it just kind of clutters the area. So we're gonna take this and move it back here, and there's been a number of things inside the boat, particularly dealing with our clothes that I've moved around a lot just to find where things go best. It's really just trial and error. You can't really have it all planned out before you move on board. You just figure it out as you're on board and learn what you use most and what you don't and what's easy to access. So there's a couple spots when we were departing Florida, our rub rail gave a little smooch to the dock. So there's some black marks that I'm using a magic eraser to get off, and it works wonders. It's hard to hold the camera and do this at the same time because I keep getting pushed away from the boat, but you can see how the magic eraser does its magic. Hey, Dixie. One of the last cleaning projects I'm tackling today is the bathroom, and in particularly the bathroom shower drain. You guys don't judge us. I gotta put it on the schedule to clean it like bi-weekly, but unfortunately it's been like a month and it's gross from the sand. But we're gonna get it cleaned up today because a clean home is a happy home. Are you happy with today's progress?
You know, it took a lot longer than I was expecting, and I think that there's a lot of stuff that we still need to clean, but overall, it's a long day, but I'm pretty happy. Everything seems to, we got all the salt off of everything, which is nice. That is the biggest thing. It's so nice to be able to make our own fresh water here and not really care how much we're using in a day like today cleaning. So it's great to have all of the salt water or salt off of everything and start fresh. Yeah, has to happen every couple weeks, at least.
Dave, are you as excited as I am to tell the folks at home our big news?
I'm certainly excited, but I'll tell you, I'm a little nervous because it's a pretty big deal. Like,
we don't know how they'll take it.
I don't know how they'll take it. Plus, we're committing to a lot. Like,
yeah.
We've got...
This is a big commitment.
It's a big commitment. So I'm really excited to share it with you guys, but I'm also really nervous. So bear with us. It's a big commitment, but we're gonna do it. We've got a lot to share with you guys, and we're really excited about it. I don't know if I'm more excited about this food or if I'm just excited to share our big news of the day.
Yeah.
We've been teasing it up a little bit, so thanks for bearing with us. And no, this is not April Fool's.
No, we're already past that, but our patrons have known about this for a little while now, and they're really excited about it, so we hope you're as excited as they are, and we are, about the whole thing.
Yeah, this is a big deal. This is us coming out of our comfort zone.
Yeah.
And, you know, even our patrons been like, wait, send us the previews, send us the previews. What's going on? We want to know, we want to know. So, we're excited to share with you guys today. Drum roll, please. Sorry, Dixie. We are gonna do a video every single day for the month of April.
You heard that right. So we are daily vlogging every day in the month of April. We've had so much feedback from so many of you saying, hey, we want more behind the scenes content. We want to know what happens in between shark diving and cliff jumping. I thought I said that backwards. It's getting late. It's been a long day cleaning. So that's what we're gonna give to you guys for the month of April. We're gonna show you all the things. I don't know what's
As
wrong
Dixie's
with the
chasing a bug. Sorry.
Oh man, you're gonna get to see that. You're gonna see the good, the bad, the ugly, and the moments in between. And we're excited to take you on this journey.
This is what we're gonna be doing right here. Like talking
Yeah.
to you in the camera and sharing all of the goodies.
All the goodies. Ooh, sharing the goodies. Ooh. Anyways, I think we're gonna end right there. And you know what we get to say for the first time in a long time?
This is fun.
You ready?
You wanna do it together?
1,
2, 3.
See
We'll see you tomorrow.
Woohoo!